Hi folks, today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to go to the mailbag. We have a letter here from a fan, and I think he's got a very important and legitimate question here. This is from Doogie69. Dear Sean, thanks for the great banking info. I've learned a lot. I just have one question. How can I use this to impress chicks? It's a fair question, right? I got just the thing for you, Dougie69. Here's what you do. You want to impress a chick? Tell her to grab her checkbook. Have her look down at the bottom of the checkbook. On the bottom of the check, have her find the routing number. And you can always tell the routing number because it's going to be on the bottom of the check between the two transit symbols. And if you don't know what a transit symbol looks like, that's okay because it's the symbol that there's a pair of and there's a number in between. So look at that routing number and tell her to take the first digit in the routing number and multiply it by 3 and write that down. Okay? Take the second digit in the routing number, multiply that one by 7. Write that down. Take the third digit, multiply it by 1. Write that down. Take the fourth digit, multiply it by 3. Write that down. Fifth digit, you multiply that by 7. Write it down. The sixth digit, again, we're going to multiply by 1. Write that down. You see the pattern going? 371, 371. Then we're going to take the, what are we up to? The seventh digit. We're going to multiply that by 3. Write that down. And then we're going to take the eighth digit, and we're going to multiply it by 7, and we're going to write that down. Forget the ninth digit for a second, okay? Now, all those numbers that we have written down, what we're going to do is we're going to have her add up those 8 numbers and say the total comes to 123. Then what you do is you take that number and you round it up to the next bigger number ending in a 0. So that if your numbers add up to 123, then the next biggest number ending in a 0 would be 130. Subtract 130 minus whatever you came up with when you added. So 130 minus 123 gives you 7. And voila, that should be the 9th number. So feel free to use that one. Maybe ham it up a little bit. Tell her you've got some psychic powers and stuff. And that's all there is to it. You're going to get some action tonight. Just remember to use protection. Overdraft protection.